Hi, here is a quiz. You can see a slide with the word now, N-O-W. Look at the beautiful way in which the logos got created. The quiz is, how do you do this? To simplify the process, I'm just going to take one logo. So here is a OneNote logo. And for this to work, the logo has to be in SVG or Scalable Vector Graphics format. Why? Because Scalable Vector Graphics can scale without blurring. So now I have this logo. I want to animate it. So for now, I'm going to just duplicate the slide. Now, this logo we want to break down into individual shapes or components. So in PowerPoint, right click and choose Ungroup. It'll ask you, do you want to do this? You say yes. Now nothing seems to have changed from slide 1 to slide 2. Visually it is same, but actually when you ungroup again, and that's important, notice all shapes are individual now. So I'm going to undo to bring it back. What we want to do is duplicate this slide. Now I'll zoom out this slide and just move those pieces around. You will also understand how to create this logo. So many different objects were required. And you can put them in random places outside the slide. So anyway, on this slide, those are not seen. Now these have to come together with an animation on the second slide. Right now there is no animation. So if I show this, it will just show in, and next slide abruptly will show you the logo. I want that to come from various corners and assemble the logo in front of the audience. So all that you have to do is go to this slide, which is the third slide, and tell PowerPoint, look at the previous slide and figure out which shape goes where. And that is just one click. Click on Morph button and decide the duration. Because we are learning, I am making it longer duration, 4 seconds, but in real life it can be much shorter. So now I click on the second slide, run the PPT and see what happens. And that's how you animate an SVG picture of any type using PowerPoint. You can do a much more stylish animation using After Effects and similar tools. But most people have just PowerPoint. What I have shown you can be used in any version of PowerPoint from 2010 onwards. Now the disadvantage of using After Effects is, yes, you can do a much more stylish version there, but the final output will be a video, whereas here you have full control. If you want it faster, slower, you can do it. If you go to the previous slide, you can change the position and make it more dramatic. All that is under your control. So this is interactive, whereas After Effects will be a hard-coded video. That's it for now. Thank you.